Alright guys, so today we're going to do a small video, just the unboxing of the couple of things that we're going to use for stage 5. As you can see here, we received a couple of stuff. Right here we have the map tuner. So this is going to be the computer that's going to be programming the Can-Am X3 XRS. I also got the box so I can put it and plug it in 24 hours and when I'm riding. Here I have actually the vacuum valve that I'm going to need to actually program, that I'm actually going to change the setup on the turbo, so I'm going to need that tool. Blow off valve, red tubes, finally back on stock. I managed to get that, so blow off valve as well. And here we have cat delete that is really well boxed with a couple of items. As you can see here, look at this is beautiful cat delete straight pipe from Evolution Powersport, and a couple of items here that I'm going to be using. But as you can see, this is beautiful. It's going to be straight pipe. This is going to be lit. One thing that it's missing, that is coming up, is going to be the bigger injectors. So what comes here in the box on the map tuner, it's going to be a couple of instructions right here with some codes and some stickers. It's going to be the map tuner itself, small computer right here that you have with the plug on HDMI and USB right there. Probably the cables are right below, right here. All these cables that we need to plug into the computer, plug into the unit. All there is right here. I'm going to put it back. On the case, I have the case that you're going to put the unit inside with the different adapters. So I took these adapters that I'm going to be putting on the machine. That's what it's going to be in. So that's the map tuner that we're going to map with the mapping that I purchased with is the stage 5 WRI. Now blow off valve, red tubing. It's going to be the main one. The small one that comes from the turbo. We're going to do all the harnesses as well and the hardware. The blow off valve itself with the tube that comes and the little pocket that covers it. Really awesome. Here, cat delete is going to be the tube itself, the pipe itself. So that's going to be blowing up the turbo as well. And here we have all the hardware and instructions that we're going to be using as well. So guys, stay tuned. This is coming. It's coming next weekend. We're going to do the install of all this. I'm going to be uploading all those videos. Hope you guys like it. And you're going to be able to enjoy. So subscribe, click on the little bell, and then put your comments if you have any questions. We're going to put a lot of descriptions. Stage 5 coming in. I'm really excited.